Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and this is 30 Days of Indonesia, where I share. It's a project that I started 3 years ago where I share Indonesian goodies of sweet and savory. But today, for day 20, it's not exactly Indonesian and it's not sweet, but it's definitely savory. I have Tabouli salad. I'm gonna have it with hummus and pita bread later on. This is really refreshing. It's a hot summer day. Well, not really summer yet, but still it's hot already. I'm gonna break my fast today with ice cream, and then I'm gonna have Tabouli salad with pita and hummus. I'll see you soon. Bye. So first thing first, what we need is curly parsley, and then you will also need flat parsley, which we didn't get because there weren't any, and mint, green onion, lemon. You can use cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, but there weren't any, so I used regular size tomato, and of course the burghul. And what I have here is coriander. Tabouli doesn't use coriander, but my husband, because we couldn't find flat parsley and my husband is not really into curly parsley much, I'm gonna make Tabouli with coriander for him. So half I'm gonna make Tabouli with coriander, and half I'm gonna make it with curly parsley only, because I couldn't find the flat parsley. So we're just gonna chop them up, all these veggies, rinse them, chop them, and place them in a large bowl. For the measurement itself, I hardly measure them anymore, but the main veggies would be the parsley, right? So you want that to be a bit more than the mint. Parsley and green onion would be nice if you add a little bit more, but not too much of a green onion because it will be too strong, overpowering the rest of the veggies, and also not too much of the mint. But if you like coriander, that is nice as well. The flavor is nice. So just about enough of this and that, maybe like 10 branches of these, a couple of leaves from the mint, and a couple of stalk from the green onion, and that would be nice. So for the coriander Tabouli with coriander, I picked as many of these leaves from one branch, so that is about more than 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is for the coriander Tabouli. For the coriander, I'm gonna use about half of this from this bunch. I'm gonna use about half, maybe all, while for the green onion I'm gonna use 4 of them. For the green onion, once you rinse it, you want to remove a little part of the tip and also the root part. So we're just gonna slice it. Once you slice them, just put them in a clean bowl. While for the coriander, I'm gonna use all of them for this coriander Tabouli, but I'm gonna lift out maybe like a couple of branch for the other Tabouli with parsley. That the veggies are, or the greens are sliced, you just mix them in a bowl and do the same with the rest of the veggies on a separate bowl. And now we're gonna prepare the burghul. For each of the Tabouli, I'm gonna add 1 tomato each. And for my Tabouli with the boys, using the curly parsley, we're gonna add half of cucumber. So it's really not really Tabouli, maybe with all these changes, but still they are Tabouli for us. For the cucumber, you just want to quarter them a bit thicker in slicing, and then quarter them. So for the curly parsley, I just use half from the bunch. So this is for the second one, the second batch. This is 1 tomato, half of cucumber, 4 green onion, half bunch of curly parsley, and a little of couple bunch of coriander, and 3 stalks of mint. For the burghul, this is 1/3 cup of burghul that we're gonna soak with 2 cups of water for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna cover it with cling wrap, and then we're gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Now the burghul is ready. We're just gonna divide half to this bowl and half to the other bowl. Then we're gonna add 1/8 cup of lemon juice and 1/8 cup of olive oil. Then we're gonna season it with Himalayan salt and black pepper. And just mix it. And your tabouli is ready, basically. You can serve it with whatever you wish. Pita bread with hummus and tabouli. Yum. There you go, 2 kinds of tabouli. One is with coriander, while the other is with curly parsley and cucumber